i35equipment.com. This is the Terex TLB840R backhoe loader. This machine does have the full cab, factory AC and heat, four-wheel drive, extendable dipper on the rear, also known as an extend-a-hoe. He's going to fire it up and go ahead and run through the operations for you to look at. We do welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Phone number here is 405-833-6437. There's the extendable dipper. Those extendable dippers are so great if you're actually out on the job site, you just need a little more depth, or even if you just need a little more reach and don't want to have to move the entire machine. It'd be a real time saver. If you'd like a hauling quote to your farm or job site, please just fill out the form on our website. We'd be happy to look into that for you. Reversal arm. Check out this front loader bucket while he's climbing out, and then we'll get up in the cab and give you a good view of the operator station. Bucket does have that bolt-on cutting edge. Go zoom on out to the fisheye lens and may distort a little bit. Give you a better view of what it looks like in here. It does have the Terex seat. Let's look here. Here's your shifter. Also your forward, neutral, reverses here. This is your front loader control. This machine is equipped with switchable backhoe controls, so you can have that excavator control or a backhoe with the rear joysticks shipped to you. Anytime you can pause this video to get a better view. There's your HVAC. I'm going to zoom in here for a second and show you this legend. There's your backhoe control legend, so you can see how that changes. Zoom back out. Here's your joysticks for the rear. That's in case you're wondering, it says activation button on back. It does have what I consider to be a dead man switch. So for safety's sake, it has a button you're supposed to hit on the back of this control to be able to operate it. And here is your hydraulic rear outrigger sticks. Keep it stable while you're operating. Foot control pedal for the extend-a-hoe. See on there, you can see that legend in and out. Once again, we appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. You can check out our website, i35equipment.com, see our full and current inventory. Thanks for watching.